Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, and the last lecture we studied the introduction to physical states of matter. Today we are going to study one of the most interesting states, which is gaseous state. So now let's start step by step. Introduction to gaseous state. My dear student, the gaseous state is the most simple and fundamental of all three physical states. The gaseous state is the most simple and fundamental of all three physical states. My dear student, gases are everywhere around us. The air we breathe, oxygen in hospitals, carbon dioxide in soft drinks, and LPG used for cooking. In gases, particles are far apart and move freely in all directions. Now, general characteristics of gases. My dear student, first one is no definite shape and no definite volume. Gas have no definite shape and no definite volume. So, gases stack both the shape and the volume of the container. And the second one is highly compressible. Because particles are far apart, gases can be compressed easily into small cylinder, for example, oxygen cylinder. And the third one is low density. Gases are much lighter compared to solids and liquids because particles are not closely packed. The fourth one is rapid diffusion. Gas molecules mix quickly with each other due to free movement. Example, smell of perfumes spreads quickly in a room. And the fifth one is exert pressure. Gas molecules are in constant random motion, colliding with the walls of the container and exerting pressure. Example, air inside a balloon exerts pressure and keeps it inflated. Now, kinetic molecular theory of gases. My dear student, to understand the behavior of gases, scientists developed the kinetic molecular theory. It explains gases on the basis of motion of their particles. Postulates of kinetic theory. The first one, gases are made up of tiny particles like atoms or molecules. And the second one is these particles move in random direction with very high speed. And the third one is collision between gas molecules are perfectly elastic, mean no loss of energy. And the fourth one is the pressure of a gas is due to collisions of molecules with the walls of the container. And the fifth one is the average kinetic energy of gas particles is directly proportional to the temperature in Kelvin. Question: kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature. Mean kinetic energy of gas particles is directly proportional to the temperature in Kelvin. Now, real life applications of gaseous state. Cooking gas LPG stored under pressure in cylinders, oxygen cylinders used in hospitals and industries, carbon dioxide used in fizzy drinks and fire extinguishers, air balloons filled with gases like helium. So, my dear student, today we discuss the gaseous state. We learn about its unique properties, the kinetic molecular theory, and some real life applications. So, this is all about today's lecture. My dear student, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.